Name one artist that Sizzla Kalanji boss. Name one artist or one person who this veteran artist ever put on. You want me answer that for no? The answer is none. The question is, do Sizzla have any kids? Name one of his child or one of his kids. To my knowledge, there is none, and we are going to talk about that.
But this doesn't let fuck a lot of delegate. Come and send about the fret. Youths now we say intellect. Mistake which I correct. Live life with no regret. The lockdown of success with visa. Fly prison don't give me the visa. Put up with jailhouse man a star and clean. And the dirty might have but we clean.
Dear my wonderful friends, it's me again, the great. One more great and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, I know enough people is not going to agree with what I have to say towards this artist, Sizzla Kalanji. Now, Sizzla has risen in the music business exponentially, especially when it comes to the culture reggae. He is a force to reckon with, correct? Yes, I remember back in the 90s, he did a song, the one where him said, if you ever walk through Alfred Tree Square at all, see the poor people them a ball. Wicked heart, I must put you down. Burning with words from my tongue. Listen, remember you know, back in a them time there, I was severely depressed. And that song lift me up out of depression. Come to find out that Sizzla is the total opposite of what he sings. Now, has Sizzla ever put on another artist or put on another man in this music business? And I can answer that. The answer is no. It doesn't matter how many men he has around him, because him always have a bag of man. Like Judgment Yard is a big yard. It's like 5-6 yards in one. Because he used to live down by the bottom in a 2-bedroom house. And then as his music start to get big, in by them yard they are, he might capture it because it's the part of Augustown where the White Mall is. But long story short, him get that spot there, build up him house, build up him museum or whatever he got there. But it doesn't matter how many guys around him, he is not putting them on. All he wants to do is people call him Dada and lift him up on a chariot like he is King Pharaoh. Now I am going to examine a little bit more with this artist, and like I said, I am not trying to throw salt. I am just speaking what I see, and I kinda lose off of Sizzla. Sizzla needs to step up and start to speak out about the carnage that's going on in Jamaica, because that's what he sings about in his song as some great reliever, some Jesus Christ, some Jah figure. Yo, he needs to step up. Now, who think I am wrong to call out Sizzla? Him fail. Him get a E on this test. You understand? Now, I have heard some disturbing thing about this young man. I should say this older gentleman. It's alleged that this man have more gun than the Jamaica police force. It's also alleged that this man, if you do anything that he doesn't like, he will get rid of you and bury you up in a judgment yard. It's alleged that back in the days, I think this was about 1998, like I say alleged, this man Sizzla give two young youth, cause you know him always have a bag of young youth around him. I'm never talk about certain things when it comes to his kids. But back in the day around 1996 to 1998, it's alleged that him give two youth some strap for keep, a strap or two strap for keep. And the strap them end up go missing. You don't know what's a strap. It's a GUN. And the strap them went missing. And people that was there in Augustown say him spread out the youth them, lick out them head back because they missing the strap them. That's what I heard. And up to this day, nobody that na solve, cause even the young man them family know that it was foul play up there on Judgment Yard because of the strap them. But up to now, no police investigation. Recently, there was another murder, some kind of shooting up there. And if you all notice, that just kind of die out and dead out. You see what I'm saying? Now, I heard through the grapevine that Sizzla, him don't leave Judgment Yard at all. If you guys notice, you will never see him out around town. You'd never see him anywhere. The only place you'll see him is Judgment Yard, and when him have to go do some kind of show. Now, people say him scared for come out because them say him have one world of gun. And for years I've been hearing that all of the people them in Augustown afraid of him. The man them are dead off round the liquor section and him would never say anything, cause Nuff foul play by police up there and all sort of thing, and he would never step up and say anything. The man them, they said that he's mean. Another person said he might be, this is what I heard now allegedly now, that this dude is bipolar, because 1 minute he'll be saying black woman and child, and then the next minute he's saying raise up the gun and kill off the black woman and child. Them say if you hang around this guy, you're not getting any food. So for the whole day, you must sit down and you're dead hungry. If not give you money make you buy none, because him a ital now, you know, all him eat are ital and fish. Only when him cook, you will get something to eat, or me give you something to eat. But in terms of say, yo, wanna go buy something and eat. He's not doing that. All him want is for their own a bunch, a man. I make the man them I lift him up and I praise him. And with that said, I want to talk about the next issue with this guy. Now, I was also told that this man right here, he doesn't like to have sex. And from what the person said, they said him not like when woman look on him body. So he doesn't have any kids. He's not leaving a legacy for anybody in terms of his kids. So he's kidless, and like the person said to me, they used to live around him and he doesn't like to be it. Allegedly, he doesn't like to be it. And him not make woman see his private part. Him not really like have sex like that. So it kinda makes sense because he doesn't have any kids. You see what I'm saying? To leave his legacy. So when you put all of those things together in terms of profile, what kind of person, what kind of profile does that show you guys? Now, like I said, the person that I spoke to, because people who can link countryman, and talk about him, You understand? You don't have to be afraid. We just have to speak the facts. But them say that you don't want to see this guy wearing a shorts or margarine is. So I don't know if I'm El Tawa, but them say if him ever put on a shorts, breeze can lift him up to how margarine is and things. So I don't know if I'm healthy or whatever, cause like me say a big man, but him eat healthy. You understand? Now, with the stuff when I highlight in this video, to me the profile I show, it's just what me I see now. And like me say, I just start look back to myself. And I say, a lot of these artists, cause it's not only him, there's other artists who I want to talk about. Even the one with named Barris Ammons, cause him make a whole heap of money. And you'd have never hear him open him out. Me don't care if him want to be old like Jesus Christ or 100, 200 years old. They made so much money off the box at Jamaica and reggae. And while I'm doing this Sizzler video, like me say, Barris Ammons just a pop up in my damn mind. You see what I'm saying? For real. So, me I look into Mr. Squeaky Clean Lovers Rock and see what he has done or given back to the community, and you best believe I'm gonna talk about it, good or bad, yo. But back to this guy right here. You can see the profile, the personality profile, that he's a reclusive, and there's a controlling factor in the reclusiveness of his personality. Like I said, I am not a doctor, You understand? But you can also see that when somebody is reclusive, there's a little bit of paranoia too. You understand? But, I say but, again, because I'm about to wrap this video up. But the biggest thing for me is that this man sing about culture, black people and all that, and he has never, ever stepped up and spoke out about the killing of the women, the carnage, the killing of the kids, the situation with Jamaica. Like me say, Bounty Killer and Buju Banton, them step up. Even Papi, Popcorn, you understand, do his thing, and Shaggy, and it would be good if Sizzla could step up, because like me said, enough people respect him do good music, you understand, and that's the biggest thing for me, and that's why I looked into his character and what's going on with him and decided to speak on it. With that said, I don't hate him or anything like that, but me just call it out. You know them say countryman are like nobody, and that's not true. I really love Sizzla music, but more want him step up and represent the music, represent what he's saying in the music in real life. I saw him did a interview to an African girl, a YouTuber, who went to Jamaica and meet him up by Judgment Yard. I said I was gonna play some of the clip, but I'm not going to, you know. And so, like, who is the real Sizzla? And that's really the question. And like me say, Sizzla, step up, you understand? Step up and do some good. Show something, help some people. Give some kids some things. You have never kept a treat for the kids them in Augustown. Do something. You understand? And make we start talk about that and forget about the negativity. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And like me said, I know enough people might not like this video, but I am just calling it what I see. And that's it. I'm out.